Okay, y'all. So this is day one of changing my lifestyle. I woke up this morning and I ate a salad, and it was absolutely disgusting because I didn't have no healthy, organic, or vegan salad dressing to go with it. I'm literally day one getting started. Like, we're going to go to the grocery store and everything. Out with the old, in with the new. So after I ate that nasty salad, I then went to my doctor's office. I had an appointment today because Sunday, as I stated, I was in the hospital. They found 2 fibroids, tumors inside of me. So yep, this week is going to consist of hospital tests, labs, OBGYN. I also been coughing and choking in my sleep, so they're going to test me for asthma and things like that. So you guys stay tuned on this health journey. Like, this, everything is just so new to me, and I'm just trying to change my life completely for the better. Afterwards, we did go to the store. I went to the thrift shop and I bought a couple things. I didn't include my thrift shop journey on this video. But I do show a little bit of what I bought at the end, so you guys definitely stay tuned. And then after the thrift shop, we went to Wally World, and I bought some plant-based. Everything was vegan friendly. I got some dish soap, I got some laundry detergent, I got some lip balm for my kids, and I got some bath body wash. Like, I'm just looking up everything. Comment down below if you guys have a suggestion of something that I should try. So I'm in the Wally World, and I actually see quite a few decent amount of vegan stuff. I got some cans. I'm gonna make some delicious vegan burritos. So I was excited to find that plant-based cheese too, y'all. So that stuff came up to $45. I'm like, oh Lord, this economy, baby, okay? But we worth it, okay? So I got some vegan, like spinach tortillas. Like, I'm just so happy. And I love those beans too. I love that sauce. It comes with everything, like the black beans, the red beans up in it. And I was so happy that I found that cheese too, y'all. I really did not taste a difference. It was good. I got some rice in the bag. Here I am mixing everything up in my slow cooker. Like, I love to just, and those 3 things, the tables that I bought, that was from the thrift shop, baby. So me and my kids could sit at the couch and we could have our bowls or my plates right there, and we could just eat as a family while watching our favorite shows. So right now I'm using it for this, and I'm just pouring out my beans, mixing everything together. It was so easy. It didn't take a lot of time. Here it is, putting it in my burrito bread. Like, it was so easy, y'all, and it tastes so good. It was like Chipotle 2.0. Like, this is better than one of them Taco Bell Chipolas, like one of those burritos, y'all. Like, it was just so good. This is like my burrito Chipola. How you say it?
Chipotle?
No, am I saying it right? Chipola? Y'all don't get at me too bad. Anyway, this is how I look, all wrapped up and good. We wrapped it up, and I'm good. Yeah, here I am, just spreading it, and I'm putting some cheese on it, and I'm wrapping it up, right? Here I am. Look at me. This looks so good. I'm gonna make a thumbnail, right? Yeah, cheese, that's me. I'm so proud of myself. Like, this meal came out so fire.com, y'all, and then we just put our little avocado sauce on top, and it was just so good. Like, it tasted better than a restaurant. Like, no cap. I wouldn't lie to y'all. Like, it tasted so good. I told the truth about that salad earlier. No, this was really hitting it. Like, I love it. And I made enough to last for a couple of days. Like, I didn't even realize that it was that much in a pot. Like, this is definitely, I got full off of one, baby. And then I got the tea. It's completely organic, vegan. Okay, this just in, y'all. I had to ask my daughter what was the name of those Taco Bell. Shay, you said chalupa? It's chalupa, y'all. It's chalupa. All right, so here are the lip balms that we got. It's vegan, 100% organic. Here is my tea, and I'm going to show you guys the tea box as well. This was so good, y'all. These burritos were like bomb.com. I would not lie to y'all. I told the truth about the salad. Here we are watching TV. Here's my stuff from the thrift shop. And I just love I love my day. I had a very productive day, y'all. So stay tuned for more vegan things or organic things along the way. Y'all gonna learn as I learn and grow as I grow. And hopefully I'll help somebody out there. So recipes and more to come.